In this tip of the day, let's take a look at OneCNC cam for 2.5 axis milling. What I'd like to do in this video is focus on concentric toolpath and how you can achieve the highest surface finish. Now, concentric toolpaths can be used on something like a pocket operation, or possibly a facing operation, or even a roughing operation. Now, in this example, you can see we're using a concentric style toolpath to rough out the pocket. This is commonly referred to as traditional style toolpath. In fact, why don't we quickly take this into Simulate, and let's take a look at what the toolpath is doing. So here you can see we're using a helical approach to enter into the pocket. And we'll let it finish the simulation. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit over here. All right, and you can see that in between each concentric pass, OneCNC is taking the tool and it's moving it across the floor of the pocket. Now that's certainly okay, but if you'd like a much nicer surface finish on the floor of the pocket, OneCNC provides a very powerful tool for doing this. Let me demonstrate. Let's hop out of here, and we're going to right-hand mouse click. We're going to select Edit Operation, and what we'll do is we're going to move through these dialog boxes, and we're going to stop right here. Here's the option, Lift Between Cuts on Last Depth. So let's activate that. Click Next, 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 and Finish. Now let's go back into our Simulate. That looks good. And we'll let the toolpath generate, and then I'm going to zoom in on that same area and show you what OneCNC is providing here to provide the best finish possible on the floor of the pocket. Alright, so let's zoom in, and you can see what's happening here. After this concentric pass, the tool now is lifting up above the floor of the pocket, feeding over, and then ramping down to depth, and then performing the next concentric pass. This lifting of the tool is repeated for each concentric pass, providing the highest in surface finish on the floor of the pocket. This is a very versatile and powerful feature provided by OneCNC. Alright, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.